Hey guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. My name is Hidayah Wakio. If it's your first time seeing this gorgeous babe, don't make it your last. Consider subscribing and joining the family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate you so much. So in this video today, I'm going for a photo shoot. It's the first time I'm going for my birthday photo shoot. I've never done this before, so I want to try and do that today. I'm supposed to leave here at 2:30, heading to the photo studio. And I like keeping time. I don't like keeping people waiting for me. So I want to do my hair. Yeah. So what you're going to install today is this Aisha Nariksa wig. Yeah, I already cut the lace. I'll insert a video here of how it was looking before I cut the lace, but I already cut the lace, and then I colored here with my foundation, but I think I can do better with the coloring. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And we're just going to jump right into the video. I don't know if I want it to be the middle or I want it to be at the side. I've not decided, but yeah, that is how the wig will look. So already it's even looking nice. Nata sijailei. So I'll just push it nyuma kidogo. And then my sister gave me this for my birthday. I think she really wanted me to get into the wig life. So I'll just
trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap and flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you